Hello internet people, something different for today. I'm gonna go to Triumph again and gonna go for a test drive with a few bikes. Let's enjoy the day with the demo rides in Cebu City. So let's go. Next one, all right, we can try the Bobber. Time for Bobber. Okay, little fella. Let's do the Bobber. Well, sound is way better. Yeah, it's very, very tiny, like, whew. Wow. No comfort, but just good looks, like, you know. Ugh. Okay. Brambos. Bonneville. Good brakes, I like it. Nice looks, decent-ish ergonomics, but very tiny compared. Let's practice a little bit around the parking lot. Yeah, and no comfort. Very light, but no comfort. Not much. Like a toy. I thought that's a heel shift, but no. Let's go for another spin. Ugh. Okay, that's a different style. Oh, very smooth. Way smoother than the Tiger, I would say. Interesting. Way smoother. Even 400 looks bigger. And super skinny to go through the traffic. That's an interesting feel to it. Like, yeah, no comfort compared to Tiger. However, just the first ride is easier in this one. It's smoother, better controlled, sort of. Like, I don't know. If you're like a total noob, which of course it would be like too powerful, but if you're like a total noob, just like sitting on the bike, that would be easier bike to ride. Yeah, but the seating position is like just for the looks. But the engine is like smooth like butter. And you cannot feel the speed that much. Yeah, all good. Yeah, to do, not on this bike. It would be possible, of course, to do it, the Philippine loop on this style, but wouldn't be the most comfortable. However, to do the Philippine loop with this engine would be amazing because it's super smooth, very powerful, and yeah, like you wouldn't be exhausted riding maybe 300 kilometers a day, most likely. Yeah, we can come back. A bit more riding to feel. Oh, the turning circle is terrible. Thanks. Okay, some drops coming down. Rear brake is total crap compared to Tiger. Go, ladies. Well, you can ride first gear all day long in town. No jerkiness, nothing. Super smooth. And the suspension, if you go over bumps, you can count each and every bump with your back easily. No quick shifter in this one. But I love the engine. Lovely. And sound is amazing for the modern bike. For all those emissions and everything, sounds amazing. Has some grunt not too loud, not too annoying. Aprilia. Maybe I should go and check Tuareg. Shoot. Surprisingly different. Comfort, just to go for a coffee, but engine is nicer than in Tiger. Yeah. Rear brake, no brake. Front is good, butter smooth. Like on the first gear, you can drive all day long. Like, is it the same engine as in a Tiger? No? Okay. Because like this one is nicer, like smoother, and the sound is good as well. For a modern bike, really nice. But if you have a bump or you go over Spider, you know how many legs it had, because everything goes through your back like. And the rain is starting. Just for a little bit, I guess. And it's very interesting to test the bikes back to back for a better feel. There we go. The suspension. Lovely bike, but not the most comfortable. Not at all. Yeah.